A Fidelity margin account allows you to borrow money from Fidelity to purchase securities, providing you with more purchasing power and flexibility in your investment strategy. To open and use a Fidelity margin account, follow these steps. First, you need to open a Fidelity brokerage account if you do not already have one. You can do this online or by contacting Fidelity directly. Once your account is open, you can apply for a margin account by logging into your Fidelity account and selecting the option to add margin trading to your account. Next, you need to understand the concept of margin and how it works. Margin is essentially a loan from Fidelity that allows you to purchase securities with borrowed money. The amount you can borrow is based on the value of the securities in your account, and you will be required to pay interest on the borrowed amount. To use your margin account, simply log into your Fidelity account and select the security you want to purchase. When you place your trade, you will be given the option to use margin if you have enough available balance in your account. Keep in mind that using margin can increase your potential gains, but it also increases your potential losses. It is also important to understand the concept of margin calls. If the value of the securities in your account falls below a certain level, you may receive a margin call, which requires you to deposit more money or sell some of your securities to bring your account back into balance. To avoid margin calls, it is essential to monitor your account closely and maintain a sufficient balance of cash and securities. You should also have a solid understanding of the risks involved with margin trading and make sure it aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. In addition to understanding the basics of margin trading, it is crucial to be aware of the fees associated with a Fidelity margin account. These fees include interest on borrowed money, as well as any applicable trading commissions. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts involved, you can effectively use a Fidelity margin account to enhance your investment strategy and potentially increase your returns. However, always keep in mind the risks involved with margin trading and make informed decisions based on your financial situation and investment goals.